How to fix cannot change App Store country region. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix you not being able to change your App Store's country region. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is, of course, you will need to check for your Wi-Fi connection first. So for that, you can swipe down from the top right corner on your control center and then long press on your Wi-Fi settings, and there from here you can simply connect to a better, stronger, stable internet connection, and after you do that you should be good to go. Now if you still cannot change it, you can head over to your settings first, and after you're on your settings, scroll down and then head over to your screen time. On your screen time, scroll down again and head over to content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it, and after you're on your content and privacy restrictions, there you will see a lot of different options. What you will need to do is simply turn off your content and privacy restrictions. After you turn it off, what you can then do is head over to your general, and on your general, scroll down. There you will find transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it, tap on reset, and reset all of your settings. After you reset all of your settings, you can head back to your general again. There you will find VPN and device management. Tap on it, and after you're on your VPN and device management, make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to any VPN, simply disconnect from it. After doing that, your problem should get fixed and you should be able to change your App Store country region. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.